everyone. We are representing Nalanda. We are representing our project. We are designed 26 solar panels on rooftop of our school. We are converting solar light energy into solar energy and reducing monthly current bill charges.
We designed our project. In digital form and HelioScope app. We installed 26 solar panels on the rooftop of our school. We designed. We are getting. We are generating 6.24. We are generating 6.24 kilowatt in 6.24 kilowatt, and we are getting response and 7,000. We are getting benefit from the government 7,488 rupees.
Coming to calculating part, for generating 1 kilowatt of electricity, we need 50,000 rupees. We are generating 6.24 kilowatt. So ideally we need 6.24 kilowatt into 50,000 is equals to 3,12,000 rupees. But from government we will get 30% of discount. 3,12,000 minus 93,600 is equals to 2,18,400 we will get after discount.
Normally 1 kilowatt panel generates 5 units of electricity every day. In our generation, 6.24 kilowatts into 5 units is equals to 31.2 kilowatts. This means monthly we can save 31.2 into 30 days is equals to 936 units. Average rate of current bill is 8 rupees. This means 936 into 8 rupees is equals to 7,488 rupees. This is our monthly current bill charges. We can save by installing solar panels in our rooftop of our building. We can save 7,488 into 12 months is equals to 89,856 rupees per every year. Thank you.
We are investing in this project ideally
3,12,000 rupees.
but from government how much discount we are getting?
30%, 93,600.
So after discount how much investment we are keeping?
2,18,400 rupees.
Yearly how much we are saving? Yearly
84,856 rupees.
return on investment in how many years?
3 years.
Okay. And after 3 years how much profit?
51,000. Thank you.